You're all fired! I'm not paying for your work!
Meet the new standard of practical tools.
I love my smart shovel. Smart shovel is insanely durable. Heart rate sensor keeps me from overdoing it.
Work smarter, not harder.
Let's learn how to make video ads in minutes without wasting time in easy steps. Go to Google search for Higgsfield AI and click on the first link. Here you can see the Higgsfield dashboard and you can scroll right to check for more features and scroll down to check what's more, and you can check the link in the description. Go to Video, select Click to Add, you can see that. Turn any product into a video ad, you can see the product page URL, where you can paste the link of any product from any website. For example, here I choose this product from Amazon. Let's copy the link from address bar. Let's paste in URL. Click on Continue. Here, the Building Your Product kit. It takes few seconds to connect and collects information from the website. Here you can see the product images appear. You can see logo, and you can choose the color and click on Continue. Here you can choose your ad style, like Simple UGC, Clean Minimal, Unboxing, and more. Let me select the unboxing ad video. I will click on Generate, where it will take few credits for generation. The process will get started. With a few minutes, the ad video get generated. Wow, look! It's amazing! Your ready-made social media video ad ready to upload. You can even use it for dropshippers and resellers who need to create ads faster than competitors without creative resources. Small businesses without video budgets who need professional ads but can't afford agencies or production teams. E-commerce brands launching new products and needing quick promotional content across multiple channels. You can even download video from here. Create your AI video ad in 3 easy steps. Just add your product link, choose your ad style, and generate your video. It's so simple. You can see the different style where you can generate your own ad video. It has advanced features like intelligent website analysis, like it automatically extracts key product images, descriptions, your official logo, and even your brand colors to build a complete ad kit in seconds. And optimized ads. Choose from over 25 presets with perfectly placed, hard-coded captions. Or select a no-caption style for a cleaner look. And you can choose between 2 options like URL or Build from Scratch. Paste a product URL for our AI ad generator to automatically scan your site, pull assets, and build an ad in seconds. Or select Build from Scratch to upload your own images, text, and brand colors. Here, you can see the pricing of software. You can choose monthly and yearly subscription. You have basic plan for $9. You see the features of this basic plan offer.
2 concurrent generations. Higgsfield Soul and Character Creation Video Models. Image and video upscaling features.
Even, you can choose Pro Plan, where you will get 600 credits per month.
Soul, Character Creation. Video Models. Image editing features, image and video.
It's for personal use. And here is the Ultimate Plan, where you can get 1,200 credits per month. You can have Ultimate feature, which is perfect for beginners who are willing to start content creation. And at last, we have Creator Plan, which is best for pro creators. It has 6,000 credits per month, where you can use all the powers of AI. If you have any more questions, you can check here one by one. You can check the Higgsfield AI have more features built in. It is more advanced than many software in market. In Explore, you can see Halloween packs, and Sora community, Swan 2.5 community, and visual effects, Higgsfield Soul, and a lot more. And you can scroll down and watch what more Higgsfield can do. You can check video face swap outputs I have generated. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Pro tip: the shorter the video, the faster and cleaner the render. Creative use cases. Now, what can you actually do with this? Recreate movie scenes with your face in them. Make fun short reels or parodies. Create AI-generated storytellers or characters. But remember, always get consent if you're swapping real people's faces. Use it for creativity, not deception. Comparison with other tools. You might have seen apps like DeepSwap, Reface, or HeyGen. They're cool, but Higgsfield stands out because it captures motion, lighting, and texture so much better. The result looks cinematic, and it all runs in your browser. No GPU, no complex software needed. Pricing and access. Higgsfield AI offers a free trial with limited credits. Paid plans unlock higher resolution and faster render times. If you're serious about content creation or filmmaking, the upgrade is worth it. That's all in the video.